stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling.
Afternoon, I'm at Bowlees in the North Pennines. I'm going to go and see one of the waterfalls. Can't make the higher one because it's a bit up too high for me and it's a very long walk. So I'm going to make a little walk down to the lower one. That's a really lovely coffee place in there. And you have a car park up the side as well. It's lovely in there. Got lots of hills here. I love all these walls. It's just amazing because they're all over. They must have taken absolutely years to build all these, and all the way through the North Pennines to come here. They're everywhere. Separates all the fields into different parts. It's really, really good. Got a lot of sheep here as well. It gets very busy here. Hello. But it's a lovely village, absolutely. You've got one that's further on from here is New Biggin, and then you've got one on further from there which is Middleton. But it's lovely out here. It's overcast, a bit windy. Not at the moment, well it has been very windy, but it's calmed down a little bit at the moment. And this says, Rabbi, welcome to Low Force. Bowlees. That's what it is. Now, I've got to suss out how to do this. Oh, lift it up. Make sure it's closed. I have a lot of sheep up here. Not here, but the whole area. Look at these. It's amazing. They're quite tall really when you get near them. I didn't realise they were that high. But yeah, they're all around these walls. They're on. So clever. The wind's cold. This is a special place for wildlife. In an area of outstanding natural beauty. Now, how does this one go? Oh, pull it. Ooh. And close it. I can hear something in the distance. If that's it, it's flowing fast. No leaves. It makes me laugh. All these trees, if you notice, they all curve. Every single one. It says, Rabbi, no camping, no fires, no barbecues, and no alcohol. Fishing is prohibited, and so is canoeing. Now, how does this one go? Oh, wow, they've got a bridge there as well. Oh my God, look at that. Oh my God. Wow, I can't wait to see it. Oh my goodness me, look at that. It's amazing. Wow! This is the other side of the bridge. I'll give you a look. Someone's just taken a photo of the little one. My God, look at that. It's huge. Oh, look at all that. I'm getting excited. God. I'm going very fast. All the roots of the trees coming out the ground. Oh. Wow, it's beautiful. So you've got two coming into one here by the looks of things. You've got one that's coming from over here. I can't get too near because there's lots of rocks and I am definitely not going on them. Comes down. Let's see if I can get nearer. Hang on. Oh, how deep is that? Do it slowly. Ugh, no, I'm not going in it. Nope, I'm going to sink. I know I am. I'll stay here. Don't know, there's got to be a way. Come on, there's got to be little steps or something. Oh, you can't see the one round the corner, but look at that. This is the smaller one of them. Apparently the bigger one is up higher. Look at all that water. Oh, God. God, that's really flowing. And it goes all the way down there, under the bridge. It's amazing. Look at the force. You see it all splashing up the sides. Don't know if you'll get it on camera. Up the little steps. Oh, here we go. Here's the roots. Little steps, that's cool. There you are. Eyes up. Oh gosh, got another one here. Water is filthy. Look at the colour of it. My God. And that comes from all the way up there. Wow. Right, where it's not so muddy. Looks okay here. You watch me sink in a bloody massive hole. And here's a bit of information about the bridge. I have to cross the bridge one person at a time. So I have to wait for these to come across. It's a Grade 2 listed structure. Winch Bridge. It's very difficult because it's only one person allowed at a time on this bridge. And I tell you what, this... oh, I hope it's safe. A lot of water on here. So, as I say, it comes down from the top one, up there somewhere, then it comes down to the lower one, which is just there, then it comes down to this one, which then goes all the way under the bridge, comes out that side and goes all the way down there. And this is the bridge. I will take a picture from the other side so you can see what it's like. Whew. There's Pennine Way path, and that's the bridge. One person allowed at a time. This is called Low Force in Upper Teesdale. Look at that, here we go. It's amazing. Gosh. Well, it must be on a circular route, this water, because it's like this every day. All day. It's got to come from somewhere. I know we have rain. Listen to that water. Such force. You have this notice board here. I'll give you bits of what it gives you. 2 bits there if you want to pause the video, and then you can read up. Gives you several walks on the map there. Yeah, there you go. And I'll come out. I thought to myself, how'd them sheep get on that wall? Guess what? Made of stone. How clever. And it says on there, a wonderful place to be a walker. Look at these. Clever. I did manage the steps. There's a little path at the side of them, so I thought I'd come up. Don't know if you can see that one in the distance there. I'll zoom in. That's the one where it comes around the side and joins up with this one going down to that one there. I'm at the lower force in Bowlees, and it says from the top to here, it says it's between 4 to 5 miles. A lovely hike, and it's a circular walk. Be lovely in the summer as well. If you're a hiker, this would be a great walk. Fantastic scenery, and the waterfall and the river's absolutely stunning. I'd definitely recommend this. I can't do it to the high force because it's too far for me. Just flowing past. Really fast. Nature at its best. Amazing. Oh, you've got ducks in it as well. Ah, they're brave. See if I can zoom in so you can see them. Funny little things. Oh my god, they're going to look, getting carried with the water. Whee! Fly. Isn't it lovely? Well, I think it is. This is as far as I'll go because it's too hilly and slippery. Well, that's me done for the day, so I hope you enjoyed the footage. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and leave a comment. I'll always get back to you, and I'll say thank you for watching. Photos of the day to follow.